Ladies and gentlemen, right now at my back it is Nights of Fright. If you don't know what is a Night of Fright, it is one of the Halloween events that is hosted in Sunway Lagoon. So today we are here and let's go check it out. So from what I know, there will be random people coming to scare you. So when you walk over here, in the video you will see random people suddenly jumping in and they are dedicated to come and scare you. Let's go. I think we came to the Chinese scary side. I'm not sure where I am because we didn't get the digital map. So one thing to take note is they wouldn't touch you. So if you are here, it's very foggy right now. But the thing is they wouldn't touch you. So yeah, you cannot touch them as well. So they will just frighten you. That's it. The ticket from the official website, it costs 128 for per person. And at the moment, we are queuing up for one of the haunted house. And I'm just going to show you how it looks like inside, okay? Yeah. So there are some rides still available. Maybe for you to calm down after you take the ride. So if you want to come to these Nights of Fright, you can wait for the next year's Night of Fright. It usually hosts during the October, which is Halloween as well. It's not as scary as I imagined before I come here. Because the environment here is still a theme park. So you will get a mixed feeling.
You'll be scared later. Wait for it.
I'm having a mixed feeling. I'm excited and scared. I don't know what to expect right now. Look at it, dude. One line. Oh, hands on the shoulder. Oh, no recording. Oh, okay. So what happened was when we went in, the operator told us that we cannot film inside. So I guess that's what we cannot do tonight. Yeah, and if we cannot film, I guess you cannot see the reaction of mine and you wouldn't know what and how does it look like inside the haunted house. So I guess what I could do is I could film the surroundings for you, because I guess that's what I could do for now, since I cannot film what's inside and my reaction as well. So hopefully one day that I can film how is it look like inside. At the meantime, we are now going to another ride or another haunted house. I cannot open. Oh. Thank you. By the way, when we bought the ticket, it comes with a popcorn. Okay, and it's a mystery popcorn. So let's open it and see what is inside.
Durian, huh?
Continue. We are going to monster fish feeding. It's not monster, it's a normal fish. At my back, this is the pirate ship. So this is one of the most scary. Is it scary? Scary, exciting. One of the most exciting rides in Sunway Lagoon, and it's available even in the Nights of Fright. So what will happen later is the ship, they will go at 360 degrees. It will hang up and then it will go down. And I'll film it and show it to you.
So what, like 360? Oh my god. Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Wait, not yet. Oh my god, 360! Oh my god! Coming down. Peace out. Oh my god, you fell down?
Yeah, I fell down.
Oh my god, I saw that. I screwed it up.
In blind box. Yeah, blind box.
We're the first one again.
And we are the first one. Okay, so let me know if you are interested in Nights of Fright, or have you even heard Nights of Fright before? Okay, I guess we are being scanned in 3D later. But too bad I cannot film what's inside. Happening is they are having some lucky draw. There's a stage over there and they have selected 13 people to interact basically. Yeah, but we are in another haunted house again. How are you so far?
Hot.
It is.
I wanna go to the Kara one after this.
Yeah. But the queue is actually quite long, but
Because we didn't buy like express pass.
yeah, we didn't buy the express pass. But I do recommend you buying the express pass, and I will buy it next year if I'm coming here again, because it really, there's not much people queuing up in the express pass. It's not like Disneyland. The last week we went to Disneyland. Even the express pass, there's a lot of people queuing up. So I think that if you're coming here, you can get the express pass. It is already 10:15 p.m. I guess that this will be our last ride. So the admission started from 7:30 and the night will end at 11:30. I think I totally underestimated the Nights of Fright because I thought that it wouldn't take it wouldn't cost me a lot of time, but I think I underestimate the crowd here. Yeah, so we are queuing up for the last ride.
Because this one, I think, I don't know why, but there's a lot of people at this Kara one.
I think it's because this is a new ride.
Maybe it's interesting.
Yeah, so many people are queuing up for this, and it takes like 1 hour to queue for it. That's why getting an express pass will be definitely worth it, because our admission is only like 4 hours only.
Finally, everybody hold on to the rope and don't let go.
Doing the Karak ride, I mean I don't know if it's on Karak Highway, the theme is Karak Highway. And Karak Highway is one of the highways in Malaysia that has a lot of accidents happen. And they take this as a theme in Nights of Fright. Though I cannot film what it looks like inside, the crowd here is really long. And because the whole admission is only like 4 hours, so I do recommend if you want to come here, you can take the express pass because it's really fast. You can take all the rides. At the moment, I only took like 3 rides, so it's not very worth it. So it's not right. I mean, it's a haunted house. So we only did like 3 haunted house at the moment. So if you really want to come here, you can take the express pass and you can just finish all the haunted house. So we just done with the Karak haunted house, and personally the experience is quite nice because although it's very scary but most of it is jump scare, and they use the sound and the lights to scare you. But when I'm in it, I'm just like focusing I'm just focusing the design. Is it called design? Or the how they set up the haunted house? I think it's very cool. Yeah, the whole setup is really cool. Although it's just people jumping scare you and shouting in front of your face, but it's really cool. Yeah, and after the ride it's 10:50 right now, and we still have like 40 minutes. I realized that I keep saying Tiki Terror, but it's the rides, but it's actually the haunted house. So
Not saying the rides.
it's haunted house, but too bad I cannot film what's in it. Okay, so it's a wrap for the video. I hope you like the video. This is my first time going to Nights of Fright. Honestly, the experience is very good because it's a very new experience for me, and this event is only held in Sunway Lagoon. It helps every year in October. So if you were here in Malaysia, you can come to Sunway Lagoon, specifically Nights of Fright in the October. Again, if you get the express pass, the experience will be so much better because you will be reducing your queuing time, and then there's not many people in the express lane as well. So I hope you guys like this video. If you'd like to see more content like this, feel free to subscribe, leave a comment down below, and I'll see you in the next video.